Welcome back to the Weather Centre, where we're tracking a particularly hot Saturday in KwaZulu-Natal. There's a warning for high seas along parts of the western and eastern Cape Coast on Saturday and Sunday, with the wintry weekend in store throughout the Western Cape. Now that's due to a cold front sweeping over the southern part of South Africa. It brought in showers and cooler weather, particularly over the southwestern parts. You'll see that front extending through to parts of the eastern Cape on Saturday afternoon. And although we've had a slight break in the cloud in the southwest, we're still expecting rainfall for the remaining part of Saturday. There's also a warning for high seas along the coast between Cape Columbine and Cape St. Francis. Fine and dry as we head over the interior, with a warm Saturday in the northeast and hot weather for KwaZulu-Natal. Then on Sunday, we'll see a second bout of rainfall along the west coast, with scattered showers extending over the southern part of South Africa. We'll also see that chance of rain start to move in along the east coast, with cooler weather over the extreme eastern part of South Africa. And on Sunday night, we're expecting some snow, mainly over the Western Cape Mountains, but things remain fine and dry over the rest of South Africa's interior. Now here's our rainfall probability map for the day, with up to a 60% chance of rainfall in the southwest. Isolated rain is expected as we head along the west coast, with a slight possibility of rainfall as we head towards the eastern Cape. It's a windy Saturday, particularly over the eastern and southern parts of the northern Cape, with a moderate to fresh southwesterly wind along the eastern Cape coast and almost calm conditions over the northeastern interior. 27 degrees is your high in Pretoria and Mahikeng, mild for Bethlehem at 23 degrees, 33 for Richards Bay with a sizzling hot Saturday, 22 as we head into East London. Johannesburg and Bloemfontein both at 24, cold for Cape Town and Springbok both at 17 degrees, 15 for George and Sutherland only topping 13 degrees. Then Sutherland drops to 2 degrees overnight with a minimum of 9 for George, 7 for Kimberley, Dar and Uppington, as well as Mahikeng and Pretoria, 6 degrees as we head into Johannesburg, 10 for Bombela in the mid-teens along the east coast, and we're forecasting a freezing night in Bloemfontein with a minimum temperature of 0. On Sunday, you'll see sunny and warm weather over the central and northeastern part of South Africa, a few degrees cooler over the far eastern parts, with that wet weather continuing particularly for the western and eastern Cape. And then on Monday, you'll see that wet weather continuing in the west and even spreading through to parts of Uppington. We'll see another cold front reinforce that cloudy and wet weather over the southern part of South Africa, with fine and mild weather for Gauteng. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.